Hello everybody, welcome to the section on Matlab. Okay, so for this video, I'll just be taking you onto our Matlab docs, how to start up a Matlab session on our RCC Open on Demand, right? Then on the next video, I'll walk you through the installation of an additional package of a toolbox, how they're called in Matlab, in case you ever need to add them to your own workflows. Okay, so let's start here, right? This is the Open on Demand dashboard where we usually end up. Okay, so we're gonna go to interactive apps, search for Matlab there. Okay, please make sure that you have memory, you have the number of cores, and if you want to use GPUs, right, and if you want to use the number of hours. Okay, please check which partition you're using. In this case, I'm using RCC internal, but you don't have permissions for that one, so use the general access queue. Okay, I'm going to go back to this one for me. In this case, GenAC. Okay, now check which version of Matlab you want. If you're dealing with legacy code, it's kind of compatible, but check which version you're using, when was it written, etc., etc. I'm going to leave it at 2022 and leave the GNU module if you need it. Okay, but just leave the standard one there. Don't touch it if you don't need to. Okay, so go ahead and launch it. Now it's gonna queue, and we're gonna wait a while it goes there. Before it goes here, right, we're gonna go see our RCC docs. So remember, this is docs.rcc.fsu.edu, and this is the usual page that we land on for Matlab. Okay, and this will walk you through how to use Matlab, the same instructions we're working on now, but in addition, it will let you. It has a collection of tutorials for using Matlab in parallel. So these 4 links will actually redirect you to the main MathWorks tutorial. So these go over what is parallel computing, how to run MATLAB functions automatically in parallel, how to run loops in parallel using par4, right? And we have instructions for all these here, how to use pmode, how to use parpool, and I think those are the 2 that are there. And then and then the other ones are how to submit non-interactive jobs. Okay, if you've already went through the video of how to submit jobs through the terminal, it's the same idea, but these are specifically for Matlab. So how to module load Matlab and how to submit that there. Okay, but if you need to use it non-interactively, please go ahead and check it here on our docs. Right, and this really takes you through everything, including how to use it with GPUs. Right, so if you want graphical processing units for your Matlab code, this is where to go to. Okay. And I hope these tutorials are great. So let's go back to the session. The session is already running, and you click launch as we did with the other ones with R or Python. And here's where you land, right? You have your files in this corner, right? You have your command window, your workspace, and all these tabs. If you're familiar with MATLAB, this will look pretty nice and easy to use, right? And then we have obviously the plots tab. If I were to plot anything, right? Select which variable to plot, and I have additional package installers, right? But I'll walk you through how to add a third-party install. Okay, see you on the next one.